Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, let's see and let's check. Oo. Kung sino ba yung nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon and why? Oo. Who's thinking of you right now and why? Bakit kanya iniisip? Oo. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. So, protection from evil eye. We do have ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable, by the way. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangang mamroblema sa sizes. Okay, so ring. Ito yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet natin. Okay, protection po ha sa evil eye na ibinabato sa atin. Okay, so adjustable and the garter is yan. Available yung ating adjustable sa red strings. Okay, and yung ating 2-in-1. So ito yung 2-in-1 bracelet natin. Anong meron? For love and money. Okay, love and money magnet itong ating bracelet na to. So, meron na siyang citrine stones. Okay, citrine. So, yung citrine is for money. Okay po. So, 2-in-1. Again, kung ikaw, lalaki, gusto mo nito, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Kailangan mong ibigay yung real name mo kasi yun ang kailangan namin. Okay? Hindi pwede yung screen name mo, di ba? Yung alias mo lamang. No. Hindi ko kailangan yun. Kailangan ko yung real name mo. Okay, kailangan mo ring gumamit ng evil eye protection every time na ito yung gagamitin mo. Okay, pwede rin to sa business. Okay, itong ating 2-in-1 bracelet kasi for love and money. Okay, kung okay naman ang iyong love situations then pera ang gusto mo, so pwede rin sa'yo to. Okay, so yun lamang. And syempre, yung ating granter. Ay, nalimutan natin yung ating necklace. So, yung necklace pala natin na evil eye protection is ganito. Okay? So, ganyan siya. This is unisex, by the way. Maliit lang naman yung pendant niya. So, ganyan siya. Meron siyang blue stone. Okay? Diyan sa center. As you can see, right there. Shining, shimmering. This is nice sa personal. Okay? So, hindi lang talaga mabigyang justice dito sa ating camera. Okay? So, yan sila. And yung ating granter necklace, so ganyan siya. This is made to order. So si granter yung taga-grant lang ng minamanifest mo ha. Okay, so kung paano mo na-manifest yun ang i-grant niya, yun ang kukunin niya. So kailangan mong protectionan yung minamanifest mo by using evil eye. If you have evil eye naman na, pwede naman yun basta alam mong legit. Okay? Basta alam mong legit, mapoprotectionan nun kung ano man yung mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Kung wala man niya, pwede naman dito. Actually, siya yung taga-grant and tagapagbigay ng surprises. Okay? Ano po yung mga surprises? Yung mga hindi mo na minamanifest. Yung mga sa tingin mo hindi mo kailangan. Like, yeah, little surprises. Like weekly. Okay? Weekly, meron. Pwedeng hindi mo lang napapansin pero meron na ipoprovide si granter. Mga ganyang bagay, no? So, again, this is unisex and made to order. So, yan yung front niya. Okay? And sa back. Ganyan din. Okay? So, para siyang may glass. Anyway. So, yung last natin. Yung last natin is si cord cutting. So, medyo bulky siya. Pwede mo namang siyang ilagay sa isang pouch. White pouch. Okay, white, hindi po red, magkaiba si ito at ito. Gusto ko sa white pouch. Okay, so kung hindi mo siya gustong isuot, pwede mong ilagay sa white. So ano bang pwede? Ano bang meron pagdating kay cord cut? So si cord cut, pasimplihin na lang natin yung explanation. Okay, tagapag-alis, MALAS. Ha? Yun yung ginagawa ni cord cut. Kasi iniaalis niya yung mga nagpapabigat sa'yo. Yung mga nagbibigay alat. Okay? So, yun yung ginagawa ni cord cutting. Okay po. So, again, yun yung ating mga items. Kung meron kang mga tanong pa, message na lang po, no, sa akin pong FB page for more info. And, ano pa? Avoid ninyo na magtanong sa comment section kasi may chance na iba ang mag-reply sa inyo. Hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section pagdating dyan sa mga questions ninyo sa ating items and sa ating mga reading. Okay? Sa PM lang po kami nagre-reply. So, okay. Hang on. Sandali lang po. Okay. So, let's see. Air signs. So, sino ba itong nag-iisip sa'yo and why? Sino itong nag-iisip sa'yo? Air sign. Who is this? Na nag-iisip sa iyo. At bakit? 10 of Cups. Sino ba yan? 10 of Cups. Pwedeng family. Matagal mo nang hindi nakikita. Yeah. Oh, some of you, this is specific. Some of you, this is your mother or father. Okay? Lalo, kung buhay pa. Okay? Karoon kayo ng alitan. Some of you. Okay. So, some of you, nandito yung energy. Meron akong channeled message. Yung doktor mo, iniisip ka. Kung meron kang doktor, iniisip ka niya. I don't know why. So, some of you, nagpo-provide siya ng happiness sa'yo. So, bakit kanya iniisip? Air signs. Could be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bakit kanya iniisip? The 5 of Wands in reversed. Oh, the 5 of Cups. The Empress in reverse. The 5 of Pentacles. Meron ditong angel number for you, air signs. 555. Okay? Could be pertaining to big changes coming in for you. Okay? So, I think some of you, this person wants changes pagdating sa situation or sa kung ano man meron sa inyo. Okay? The Empress is here in reverse. The Judgment. So, some of you, may chance na kaya kayo iniisip ng taong to na nag-provide ng happiness sa'yo, in general. Nakapag-provide ng happiness, nakapag-provide ng magandang connection, or connection, in general. Kasi parang meron silang gustong, sabihin nating maayos. Okay? The 5 of Wands, this is talking about wala nang drama, ayoko na ng drama sa atin. Some of them, they regret everything. Kung sabihin natin nasaktan ka or nadismaya ka sa kanya, na-disappoint ka niya, parang ganyan. Okay? So, some of you, ikaw yung parang nakadisappoint, no? Doon sa tao na to. Pwedeng yung magulang mo, mga ganyan. So, kaya kanya iniisip kasi parang ayaw na lang nila talaga na merong drama or issue dito sa inyo. Okay? So, yes, hindi tayo magfo-focus sa love lang. So, kukuha tayo ng mga energies, no? Na sa tingin natin. The 3 of Swords. So, nagkaroon kayo ng alitan nitong taong to. Gusto nila na may mangyaring pagkakaayos. Kaya kanila iniisip. Some of them nakukonsensya. So, kuha pa tayo. Sino tong nag-iisip sa'yo? Air sign. Anong meron sa kanya? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng hindi okay yung communication. Could be in and out. Itong energy ni person na to. Some of them, they're not consistent. Okay? Hindi sila consistent. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, itong taong to naman is ginamit ka. Ginamit ka. Some of you, pwedeng nanghiram ng pera. Okay, pwedeng nanghiram ng pera sa'yo or sabihin nating mayroong sinayang itong taong to. Pwedeng tiwala. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. So, in general, some of you, may kailangan itong taong to na gawing aksyon pagdating sa'yo. Okay? May kailangan siyang gawing aksyon pagdating sa'yo. So, bakit kanya iniisip? Gagawa na ba siya ng aksyon towards you? Let's see. Bakit kanya iniisip ngayon? Strength. This is effort. Some of them, they're holding back. There's block. Some of you, blockages. What's with that strength? The High Priestess. The silence. Okay. The silence. The blockages. The tension. I don't know who's who. Okay, pero ang nakuha ko, I think this person, gusto niya na gumawa na ng tama, no? Pagdating dito sa connection, or gumawa, or gawin na yung dapat gawin pagdating dito sa situation ninyo, pero they're holding back. Something could be, sabihin nating may mga tanong rin siya, mga what ifs, okay, if ever na gumawa siya ng aksyon, may makukuha ba siyang sagot or what? Some of you, hindi nga talaga kayo nagkakausap ng taong to, kaya nandoon yung takot niya na mag-reach out, if ever. They're holding back, or sabihin natin they're confused, they're in a crossroads, they want to connect, they want to reach out. Okay, takot lang sila na baka may marinig sila from you, something like that. So, some of them, they're afraid na humarap, no, sa mga, sabihin nating commitments or kompromiso. Yeah, parang may nakompromiso kasi. So, there. Okay? So, yun na nakuha ko for you, air signs. Next. Fire signs. Okay. So, fire signs. So, sino itong nag-iisip sa'yo? And bakit kanya iniisip? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Okay. So, fire signs. Who is this thinking of you? And why? Who's thinking of you? Sino ito, fire sign? Sino siya? Two of Cups in reversed. Oh, the Justice in reversed. Imbalance, misunderstandings, infidelity for some of you. In general, some of you, this is talking about distance. Okay, there's this distance, emotionally, physically, mentally, mga ganyan. Okay? Nagkaroon ng one-sidedness. Some of you, you have legal matter with this person. Hindi sila nakikipag-ugnayan ng ayos. Some of you. Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng meron siyang sariling legal issue that's specific na pwedeng sabihin natin hindi niya inaayos. So, bakit kanya iniisip ngayon? Fire sign. Could be Libra and the water sign. Bakit kanya iniisip? Strength in reversed. And the moon. Oh, fire sign. Ang tanong ko dito. Okay, kasi napapatanong yung person, kaya siya nag-iisip. Like, nalimutan mo na kaya siya? Or, hinahayaan mo na ba talaga siya? Ang dami niyang tanong, galit ka pa kaya? Kasi ito yung taong, sabihin natin gumawa ng hindi tama. Hindi naging equal, hindi naging balance, hindi naging, sabihin natin nagkaroon kayo ng one-sided na connection. Some of you, this is a third party. Okay? Iniisip ka niya, lalo na sa gabi. Nag-iiyak siya. Some of them. They're lonely. Lalo na po, no, kung hindi na nga talaga kayo nagsasama, nagkikita, mga ganyan. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse could be a missed opportunity for some of you. Andun yung panghihinayang. Yeah, they're longing for you. That is why they're thinking of you. They're longing, they're craving, aching, crying over this. Kung sino man to na pwedeng niloko ka, yeah, andyan yung nakokonsensya siya. That is why nag-iisip siya. Nakokonsensya yung tao. So, what else? Who else is thinking of you, fire signs? We have here Libra, Leo, and Pisces. Tinalikuran mo to, some of them. Tinalikuran mo na siya. Now, they're longing. They want to, yeah, say something. Pero, hindi na. Parang ganyan. So, who else? Fire signs. Who is thinking of you? The Four of Cups in reverse. The one that got away. The one that got away. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Pwedeng LDR kayo. Fire signs. Ang nakikita ko dito sa some of you, ito yung taong sobrang tagal mong hinintay. Pwedeng vice versa ha. Pwedeng siya yung matagal na hinintay pero hindi pa rin nakamit. Ay, ang tagal na. Tapos, yeah. The one that got away. Anyway. Let's see. Bakit sila nag-iisip? Bakit kanya iniisip ngayon? The Hanged Man. They're stuck. They are stuck. Yeah. Oh, they're losing sleep. They are losing sleep. Some of them na-stress na. Oo. Yung iba sa kanila nagkakasakit na talaga. They need you actually. They need you. They're looking for you. They want to communicate. They're losing sleep. Okay? Parang ang ginagawa ng taong ito ay maghintay na lang na maghintay ng maghintay. Yeah, andyan na yung stress na, wala nang peace of mind itong taong to. Some of them feeling nila niloko mo sila, parang ganyan, or ikaw yung niloko. Could be vice versa ha. I-flip ninyo yung energy kasi yeah, hindi naman ito personal, so may chance magkahalo-halo ang energy. Okay? Ito, number 1. Channeled. Ikaw, sabihin natin, lumayo sa'yo tong taong to kahit gustong gusto ka. Ngayon ay iniisip ka kasi sobrang hindi nila kaya yung distansya. Hindi nila kaya yung distansya. Hindi nila kaya yung separation if ever. There's separation here. There's this separation. They need you. They really, really, really need you. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you may chance na ito yung sabihin natin kailangan ka ng taong to. Wag nating i-focus sa love, okay, or sa romantic connection, pero yeah, this person, they really need you. Parang sabihin nating physically, they need you. Some of them, they have, illness. Okay? I don't know kung bakit hindi magawa yung communication or somebody needs you. Yeah, this person needs you. Yeah, okay. Some of you, emotionally, hindi nagiging open itong taong to. Hindi nila ino-open. Okay? Hindi nila ino-open. Marami silang gustong sabihin. Outburst, no? Parang sasabog na. Parang ganyan, emosyon. Hindi lang kasi nila sinasabi. Like, they're trying to avoid a discussion, an issue, could be. Para lang makitang smooth flowing itong meron sa inyo, or somebody is hiding there kung ano man yung kailangang sabihin. Okay, may energy na parang Libra. They're hiding. Some of it, this is Scorpio. Okay, I'm hearing Scorpio and Libra. Okay, some of you parang kapamilya nyo o relatives. Okay? Pwedeng hindi lang talaga nagiging open sa communication, hindi lang nila sinasabi. But andun yung natatakot na yung tao. Some of them, meron silang kailangang sabihin sa inyo. Meron silang kailangang i-open up, pero hindi nila kaya. Parang ikaw lang yung nakikita nilang way or tao na parang kailangan or sabihin nating madaling sabihan or kailangan pagsabihan. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo itong taong to. Anyway, so there. Next, water signs. Okay, so who is thinking of you, water sign? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who are they? And why? Who's this person? Who is thinking of you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. The Nine of Pentacles. You have a lot of responsibilities, I guess. Could be an earth sign. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. And the Five of Pentacles. Pwedeng iniwan ka nito dahil sobrang daming responsibilidad. Could be an earth sign. They love you still, I think. Some of you pwedeng iniwanan ka, lumayo sa'yo dahil sa isang responsibilidad. Third party, could be third party involved. Okay. So, bakit ka nila iniisip? Bakit ka nila iniisip? Water sign. The Knight of Cups in reversed. The Eight of Pentacles. Something is not working out. The Empress in reversed. This person is sad. Okay? So, kung ano man ang ginawa ng taong to, sabihin nating umalis siya, something is not working out. I don't know. The grass wasn't greener on the other side, I think. Okay? Pwedeng iniisip ka na to kasi pwedeng yun nga hindi nag-workout yung inyo. Isang dahilan lang yun para isipin ka kasi hindi nag-workout yung sa inyo. Yeah, Temperance, the Sun in reverse. Imbalance, sadness. Okay? Parang nawalan ng direction itong taong to. Nawalan siya ng direction. Seven of Swords. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Some of them, they have money issue. Yeah, they have money issue. Some of you, this is channeled. Kailangan kanyang alisan kasi parang hindi niya mabigyan ng pathway or direction yung sarili niya. Parang nawawala siya sa ruta. Pero sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko kaya kanya iniisip is like parang mas nagiging hindi okay Parang hindi siya, parang mas nagiging worst. Ang dami niyang what if. What if? Puro ganun siya. Pero ayaw niya mag-settle. Ayaw niya mag-settle. Okay? Who else? Who else is thinking of you, water signs? Who else is thinking about our water signs? Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who is this? Na nag-iisip pa sa'yo. Sino itong nag-iisip sa'yo, water sign? The Three of Wands. They have a lot of expectations. Yeah, the Emperor. Could be a businessman, a businesswoman. Okay. They're guarded, actually. They're guarded. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. They have a lot of plans sa buhay. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Masyadong busy tong taong to. So, bakit kanya iniisip ngayon? Bakit kanya iniisip? There could be separation, death. There could be separation or endings. Yeah. The Ace of Wands. They want another chance. They want a new beginning. They're thinking like, what if kasama ko si water sign? Parang ganon. What if kasama ko si water sign? Yeah, they're thinking. Yeah. They have sabihin natin sa ngayon, they want changes. They want new beginnings with you. Together. Andun na yung iniisip niya na, some of you kung kayo magkasama, pwede namang, iniisip ka kahit magkasama naman kayo. Sabihin natin nag-iisip siya about leveling up. About leveling up the status na sabihin natin from this to here, from here to there, parang ganyan. Okay? So, this is like, sabihin natin, yung energy is stepping up, leveling up. They want that. They want changes. Okay? Kung kayo naman ay separated, they want a new beginning with you. They want a new beginning. And yeah, sabihin natin, nandun yung plano niya na yun. And yes, kaya niyang i-execute. Some of them, gagawa sila ng action towards you. Okay? Communication, hindi pa naman ready, pero yeah, nandun yung pag-iisip about communicating with you. Okay, so there. Next. Our earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us see. Earth signs. So, who's this person? Sino ba itong nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon? Earth sign, pasensya na po ha. Kung kayo ay nakakarinig ng mga ingay sa paligid-ligid. So, let's see. Sino ba ito na nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon? Earth sign. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Number 1, some of them meron nang nangyaring miscarriage, no? Okay, number 1, that's channeled. May nangyaring miscarriage sa kanila. Yeah, could be a mother figure. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. The moon. Some of them, they're hiding na they are like, sabihin natin concern sa'yo. Yeah, the lovers. Okay, some of them may chance na balo. Okay? May chance na nawala na yung asawa. Ganyan. Could be your tita or tito. Mga ganyan na nag-iisip sa'yo. Okay? Some of them may sakit. Yeah, may sakit. So why are they thinking of you? The Ten of Swords in reverse. They want to see you. Some of them, they want to see you. Yeah, the Four of Cups. They're sad. They want to communicate. Meron silang gustong i-fix. They have an offer. Some of them. Yeah, the Fool. Ito yung taong gusto ka lagi na matuto. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay? Yeah, I'm hearing mana. The Ten of Pentacles. Oo. So, some of you, merong mga ibibigay. I don't know. Somebody who is sick. This is specific. Meron akong mana na nakikita dito. Okay? There's good news coming in for you. Yeah, this is good or bad news for you. Meron kasi gustong mag-settle dito eh. Meron ditong gustong mag-settle. Okay? Kailangan nila kayong makausap. I don't know kung bakit hindi nasasabi. Or siguro pinagpaplanuhan pa lang ito. I think. Pinagpaplanuhan pa lang. Okay? There could be money involved. Yeah. Money involved. Kaya gusto kanyang makausap. Pinagninilay-nilayan. Oo, yeah. Pinag-iisipan niya ito maigi. Okay? So, what else? Who else is thinking of you, earth signs? Who's thinking of you? Who is this? Death. Could be a Scorpio. Something or somebody na may nangyaring endings with you or separation. What's with that death? The Four of Wands. Merong nangyari sa inyong in and out. They're stalking you right now. Okay? So I think this is your this is a romantic connection, could be, or yeah, this is an energy of an ex. So why are they thinking of you? Some of them, they're stalking you. Yeah, they are stalking you. And the Two of Swords in reverse. And the Three of Cups. Decision. Pagdating sa reconciliation. And yeah, they're being impatient. They want to clear things out. Sabihin natin parang they want to give you an answer. Clarity. Okay? Ayaw na nila ng sitwasyon na kayo ay magkahiwalay. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. The Five of Cups. Some of them, they're just waiting for the dust to settle. No? Parang ganyan. Or the tension na mawala. Parang ganyan. And yeah, may chance na itong taong to kaya kayo iniisip is yes, gusto nila makipag-usap, gusto nila isettle kung ano man ang dapat isettle. This is stepping up. Okay? They want to get back, like another chance. I think. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. This is energy of going back. Gusto na makipag-ayos. The King of Swords and the Ace of Swords. They want a new beginning. Some of you, meron ditong nag-iisip ng parang changes na pagdating sa inyong relationship. Okay? Parang ayaw na nila ng stuck sa isang sitwasyon. Some of you, you have no label. You're in a no label connection, and I think parang gusto nilang i-level up. Okay, sige, tayo na. Parang ganyan, or okay, sige, papakilala na kita sa family ko. Andiyan na yung energy about transparency. Andiyan na yung energy about vulnerability. Parang ganyan. Okay, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, may chance rito na pwedeng meet up, meetings, mga ganyan, or some of you, this is talking about, andun yung energy ng if this is talking about marriage, yeah, they want to settle, parang ganyan. Gusto nila na i-upgrade talaga yung relationship ninyo. Like, this is enough with the back and forth energy. So, we have to, parang, okay, sige, kung kailangan natin magpakasal na tayo, parang ganyan. May naririnig kasi ako na pamanhikan. Okay? Pamanhikan. Okay? So, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung isa nating YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. Okay, so again, thank you. Goodbye.